In the UK, quantity surveyors can join several professional institutions that provide accreditation, training, and support throughout their careers. These institutions uphold high professional standards, promote ethical practice, and help QSs remain up to date with developments in construction law, technology, and cost management. But what are the differences and key distinctions between them? Let's start by looking at CICES, Chartered Institution of Civil Engineering Surveyors. CICES, founded in 1969, serves surveyors working in civil engineering, infrastructure and transportation. It is the only specialist body for civil engineering surveying in the UK. Membership titles include Member and Fellow. Recognised within major infrastructure sectors such as rail, highways and utilities. Strong alignment with the Institution of Civil Engineers. Especially relevant for QSs using NEC contracts, cost control and measurement in engineering works. Offers training, networking and technical resources specific to infrastructure delivery. The Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors. RICS is the most widely recognised and prestigious institution for quantity surveyors, both in the UK and internationally. Founded in 1868, it sets global standards for professionals working in land, property and construction. Membership grades include Associate, Member and Fellow. The assessment of professional competence is the main route to becoming chartered. Members are required to complete continuous professional development each year. RICS upholds a strict code of conduct, ensuring professional integrity and ethical standards. Qualification is often a requirement for senior QS roles, especially in consultancy and client organisations. They provide access to technical guidance, networking events, and global career opportunities. Chartered Institute of Building. The CIOB, established in 1834, represents professionals in the management and delivery of construction projects. It is well suited to quantity surveyors working for contractors or in construction management roles. Membership designations include Member and Fellow. Focuses on the management, technical and leadership aspects of construction. The professional review process assesses knowledge in areas such as cost control, project planning and procurement. Members gain access to research, conferences and an international network of professionals. And CIOB membership is particularly valued by contractor-side QSs and project managers. Association for Project Management. Although not exclusive to surveyors, APM membership benefits QSs who wish to move into project management or client-side role or simply broaden their skill set. They offer the Chartered Project Professional Qualification. Focuses on leadership, governance and delivery of complex projects. Encourages cross-disciplinary collaboration between engineers, surveyors and planners. And provides access to project management resources, networking events and training. Each institution offers unique advantages depending on a quantity surveyor's career path. Joining one or more of these institutions enhances credibility, career progression and lifelong professional development within the UK construction industry.